Welcome back everyone to our Info channel. With the hope that the third generation Escalade EXT was not the last pickup truck from Cadillac, we will never tire of making more and more renderings of the new Escalade EXT based on the current generation or even IQ model. So we have illustrated the 2027 Cadillac Escalade EXT again. Please let us know if you like it and let us know if it makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.